In this video, we will show you how to check leakage and change the seal kit in the SQ2 series cylinder. But before we begin, let's first understand the possible causes of leakage. Piston seal damage, wear out, joint o-ring damage, dent on piston rod, dust debris inside cylinder body and on piston rod. This is the SPAC SQ2 series cylinder. This is the front cup side. This is the rear cup side. This is the barrel. This is the piston rod. These are masking caps. This is the chuck nut. Firstly, we have to test the leakage in the cylinder. Remove the masking caps. Assemble the fitting at the front cup side port. Supply air pressure in the front cup port and apply thick soap at the rear cup port. If bubbles appear, the piston seal is leaking. Now, we will check joint leakage. Apply thick soap at the joint of the barrel and end covers. If bubbles appear, the joint is leaking. Next, check for leakage from the rod seal. Apply thick soap at the rod seal area. If bubbles appear, the rod seal is leaking. Remove the fitting from the front side port and assemble it in the rear side port. Supply air pressure in the rear side port and apply thick soap at the front side port. If bubbles appear, the piston seal is leaking. Now, remove the air supply and remove the fitting. Now, we will show how to change the seals in a pneumatic cylinder. First, remove the chuck nut. Remove the circlip with the help of internal circlip plier. Take out the piston rod. Observe the damaged piston seals. Remove the damaged seals from the piston. Clean the piston with the help of an air gun. This is the rod seals. This is the piston seals. These are barrel joint o-rings, a cushion pad, and a piston rod joint o-ring. Now, assemble the new piston seal. Make sure both the piston seals are placed properly. Keep it aside. Now it's turn to replace the damaged rod seal. Now, check if the rod seal is damaged. With the help of a tool, carefully remove the damaged rod seal. If it's damaged, replace it with a new one. Take the front cup and remove the damaged O-ring. Now, remove the old barrel joint O-rings. Clean the front cup properly. Thoroughly clean the bore. Assemble the new O-ring and rod seal. Now insert the new rod seal carefully. Keep it aside. Now gently apply the pneumatic cylinder grease in the barrel and on the piston. Next, insert the piston rod into the barrel properly. Now, insert the new barrel joint O-ring carefully. Assemble the front cup and secure the circlip with the help of pliers. Now, we will check the leakage of the cylinder again. Assemble the fitting at the front cup side port. Supply air pressure in the front cup port and apply thick soap at the rear cup port, front side barrel joint and rod side. If bubbles do not appear, the cylinder is rectified. In the same way, check from the other side as well. If no bubbles appear, the cylinder is ready for use. Discover the power of SPAC Pneumatic and revolutionize your pneumatic solutions. Just drop a "Hi" at our WhatsApp number 012047333333 or visit our website spacpneumatic.com for more information.